तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1, 2, 3 स्टार्ट। By filing this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, petitioner seeks a direction to respondents to forthwith grant and sanction interest on the refund amount after expiry of 3 months from the respective dates of application till the date of actual refund under Section 11BB of the Central Excise Act 1944 read with Section 83 of the Finance Act 1994 stop para. Hence, petitioner did not pay any service tax on the output services exported stop. Subsequently, petitioner received the refund amounts as sanctioned stop. However, the refund amounts were sanctioned beyond 3 months from the date of filing of refund applications stop. Therefore, petitioner claimed that it was entitled to interest on delayed payment of refund under Section 11BB of the Central Excise Act 1944 made applicable to service tax via Section 83 of the Finance Act 1994 stop. Para. In such circumstances, petitioner submitted letter dated 15/5/2017 requesting respondent number 3 to grant interest on delayed refund for the period after expiry of 3 months from the date of application till the date of actual refund stop. However, there was no response to the said letter dated 15/5/2017 stop. Petitioner again requested respondent number 3 via letter dated 2/5/2019 to grant interest on the refund amount sanctioned for the period from June 2008 to December 2014 stop para. Along with the said letter, petitioner submitted a copy of order dated 9/6/2017 passed by the Central Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal Hyderabad in its own case granting interest on the refund amount sanctioned belatedly stop para. However, in the said letter, respondent number 3 completely ignored the previous letter of the petitioner stop. Notwithstanding the above, petitioner again renewed the prayer for grant of interest on delayed refund via letter dated 28/2019 followed by reminder dated 10/9/2019 stop. However, petitioner has not received any communication from the office of respondent number 3 stop para. Upon being aggrieved, present petition has been filed seeking the relief as indicated above stop. Respondent numbers 2 and 3 have filed a common reply along with affidavit through Sri Miling Gavai, Principal Commissioner of Central Goods and Service Tax and Central Excise, Mumbai East Commissionerate stop para. At the outset, an objection has been raised. The petitioner has an alternative remedy of filing appeal before the Commissioner (appeals) against the orders in original declining interest stop. Since petitioner has not availed the alternative remedy, petitioner may be relegated to the appropriate forum for the relief sought stop para. Petitioner was also required to produce all the evidences upon which it intended to rely in support of its claim stop. Personal hearing was also granted to the petitioner stop para. With the implementation of Goods and Services Tax (GST) with effect from 1/7/2017, the departmental setup was required to be reorganized stop. This exercise of reorganization caused certain delay in processing of appeals and in issuing further orders sanctioning refund as per the order in appeals stop. However, There was no intentional delay by the CGST department. Stop para. It is stated that refund claims were sanctioned or granted under Section 11B of the Central Excise Act 1944 and was made applicable to service tax via Section 83 of the Finance Act 1994. Stop.